Today's colors are Hooker's Green and this new color that I bought, Ultramarine Turquoise. I have a phthalo turquoise, which I love in stick form, that I've played with before. But I think this ultramarine turquoise is a little bit more light blue, and it pairs really well with this green. I want to bring it over here a little bit more. A little bit darker. When I look in the bowl, you can see the ultramarine as the colors separate. On the paper, not so much, unless it looks a lot different when it's dry. I don't think I have tried this color before, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna bring some over here too. It's very cool. Some more of that green in as well. Too much water. Oh, that looks so beautiful. It's like a swimming pool blue. Put a little bit more blue up here. Gorgeous. I want to intensify like the bigger portion of the painting. Who knows? It's might just as well be covered up again later on, but you know, we're giving it a good effort. I just never know what's going to happen. I really hope these two will dry like that. So pretty. Okay, you know, I think I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm gonna come back after it's dried and see if the colors have remained this intense. That would be so wonderful. Yes. Collectively, we are deciding that this needs to dry. opposite of green and blue on the color wheel is red, and that is a complementary color. And so I think I am going to add some red lines into this. I'm also going to outline these with the orange because, again, orange is opposite of blue, although I am picking a slightly lighter orange to do that, but I think it still works. this is what I have so far, and I'm going to take the tape off now because it just always gets a little distracting when that's on still. I use regular painter's tape. If it sticks to the paper, then I will take the hairdryer to it before I release it from the paper, and that usually seems to do the trick. Oops. Also, this paper is not super fibrous, so it takes this tape really well. All right, here we are. It's not something that I would normally do using the complementary colors, but I guess lately I'm into opposing colors and a pop of color. So I don't know, it's weird to my eye, and yet I like it at the same time. The marks are minimalistic, but I think that's mainly because it's such a small canvas that there is just not enough room to do a lot of doodling, if you know what I mean. As always, everything I use is linked in the description box below this video if you want to have a look at it. You don't have to buy it through the link, but if you do, I greatly appreciate it because I get just a small kickback from the purchases that you make from my link. If not, you can just look at it and then decide for your own how you want to purchase it. Thank you again for joining me in today's video. I think I want to explore a little bit more this format and this style, and if you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to my channel. We would love to have you over here. We have a lot of fun. I'm exploring lots of different art styles at the moment. So if this is something that you enjoy, consider subscribing. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me today, for watching all the way to the end. You know how much I appreciate that. And I will see you next week. Oh, and happy birthday, America. 250 years. That is an accomplishment. Well done. Yay. Go celebrate today. Bye, everybody.